All right, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about microfiber towels. I'm a little bit too passionate about microfibers and detailing, but I want to go over a couple things so you guys are informed and you can make your own decision when you're detailing your car, applying a ceramic coating, cleaning the interior, exterior, dealing with paint, trim pieces, all of it put together. I want to go over a couple of the microfibers that I choose to work with personally and give you a couple recommendations on some of the products I use with the microfiber towels to get the best cleaning experience and the best coating experience. Starting with this light gray towel, it comes in a blue, an orange, light gray. This is the Eagle Edgeless. This is the 500. So it's a super thick, super plush, edgeless microfiber towel. You can use this for applying a wax, removing like a quick detailer or a mist and shine if you're doing that type of thing. It's super plush, it's super thick. I don't like a super thick towel like this or microfiber towel when I'm working on the interior. I like using it for lifting dust on like a dash, or if I'm working on a digital screen and I don't want to have any type of potential risk of scratching it, I'll use it there maybe. But for the most part, I like to use this for a mist and shine, a ceramic detailer or a quick detailer that I'm putting on the paint after the car is dry, after it's been washed. This is that super fluffy, light, really plush microfiber, and that's what I use that for. I'm going to link all these products below so you guys can check that out. But this is a super plush towel, so if you're looking for the cream of the crop on your paint, this thing is great. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. You can spray on whatever type of product you want when you're doing the detailing, and then you can remove it with this, flip it over, go back and forth, and you'll be able to get a really good job on your paint. So that's what this is for. That's what I think I use it for. This is one of the products in the Wolf Pack. So this comes in a couple various different colors. Microfibers in different colors for me is something that I use when I'm dealing with a ceramic coating, when I know I'm going to be using the towel only once. So for example, I use the lavender Eagle Edgeless 350 from the Ray company. This is their Wolf Pack. This I like to use on the interior of the vehicle. So it has a stitched edge. Obviously it's not a coarse stitched edge. It's kind of like a silk outline. I believe it's 16 by 16 inches, but this microfiber towel is thin enough where I can push it into the nooks and crannies when I'm detailing a vehicle. I've really found this to be kind of my preferential microfiber for cleaning the inside of a vehicle, and I cannot sing the praises enough of any interior detailer more than Interior Detailer, the Q2M Interior Detailer by Geon. So they have this in a couple size options. I wish they had it in a gallon. I don't think they do. You can get it in a 500 milliliter or 1,000 milliliter. I go through this stuff like crazy. It lasts a long time. It's got a clean scent. Your whole inside of your car is going to smell just clean. It's got an antimicrobial property, and it doesn't leave any streaks, no damage whatsoever to the interior vehicle. You can spray it all over the place. I spray it all over my dash. I wipe off the gauge cluster, the buttons, your turn knobs, whatever it is that's in your vehicle. This is great. I especially like this when I'm cleaning the touch screen. I've got a GMC pickup and a Volvo that has the touch screen, so you're pushing buttons. If you have any type of fingerprint marks you leave on your screen, this almost puts like a protective layer, even though there's no residue. It's like a protective layer on top of that screen, and you don't leave your fingerprint smudges and marks nearly as bad as if it was just a naked, clean screen. So if you are touching your screen a ton when you're working in your car or you're driving your car, you got to check out the Interior Detailer. I highly recommend that. And the Wolf Pack, I think the Wolf Pack has a kit where you get a couple of these towels. They're all the same nap and the GSM, but super great for interior detailing. On to these two towels. These are the bread and butter, and I've gone through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of both of these towels because I do paint correction and then I apply a ceramic coating. I use these when I'm doing the ceramic coating. So this is the Eagle Edgeless 350 by the Ray company. It is an edgeless towel, 16 by 16 again, machine washable. Just run microfiber detergent through your washing machine and then you air dry it. Super light, super fluffy. I'll use this when I'm prepping the car, so when you are doing paint correction, you're removing all your buffing compounds, you spray prep like a oil remover all over your paint, and then you can remove all your smudges and smears before you get into the actual ceramic coating. When you are going to ceramic coat, this is, I'm trying to think of the name of this is the Pearl. So this is the Edgeless Pearl by the Ray company. Super thin, it's a real waffle-based microfiber. This is what I use for the first removal step when I'm ceramic coating. So here's Geon ceramic coat. This is a two-step ceramic coating. I actually love Synchro. It's made up of Mohs and skin, so you've got 2 steps in applying the ceramic coating. Mohs can be applied to your paint standalone, that's fine. It's a great ceramic coating product. If you want to take your gloss, your enhancement of your paint, and your hydrophobics up another level, you can check out Synchro. So this is a super good option for applying ceramic coating to the paint on your vehicle. Once you put on the ceramic coating, you let your beads sweat in your ceramic coat. You know that's time to remove the coating. This is the towel I use to remove it. So I turn this over several different times. When I'm done with it, I throw this in a bin that's labeled rags. And I'll use this to wipe up oil spills. When I'm doing oil changes on cars, I'll use brake clean underneath, and I'll use this to basically finish off the towel. I never wash them. I never use them again when I'm dealing with ceramic coating. After I've buffed off the initial layer of the ceramic coating, I grab a clean, brand new Eagle Edgeless 350, and this is the towel I use to remove and kind of final buff the coating even, so I don't have any high spots, no concerns that way. Same goes for the coatings that I put on the wheels. So this is Rim by Geon, Q2M Rim. This is a super high temperature withstanding ceramic coating, so you can put it on your brake calipers, on your rim, you can put it on your coated or painted exhaust tips. It can handle a lot of heat, so that's why they're good for wheels. Super durable, really easy to apply. If you have a new set of wheels, I try to tell everybody, when you buy a new set of wheels for your ride, prep them, which is just a grease remover. Get your wheel naked and clean. Put this on right away and you will not regret it. It makes it way easier to clean your wheels. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're washing your car by yourself in your garage, this will make it way easier to keep your wheels looking clean and new. All you have to do is just pressure wash your excess road grime and brake dust off. You'll use a wheel cleaner. You'll spray it on the wheel. You can agitate the wheel a little bit, but this makes way easier work for cleaning wheels. That's Rim by Geon. So I'm going to link these products below. Hopefully my description of what I use these towels for helps you guys out a little bit, but I'm a big fan of microfibers. I love them. My brother and I joke around that I'm way too in love with microfiber towels. I just think they're too great, but they all have their own little purpose. They've got their different density, their different types of weaves. I'll do another video in the future where I talk about drying towels and how I maintain drying my vehicles, but this I just wanted to do kind of like an overview video for you guys so you can kind of see what I use microfiber towels for. I use a couple other brands as well, but these are all made up by the Raid Company. They're a super awesome brand, and I use them in my shop daily. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Have a good day.